Artificial intelligence is not just changing what work gets done in a firm. Uh, this technology is actually changing who firms need to function at all. Who means what types of workers firms need to function at all. In episode 2, we talked about the existence of firms because coordination in the market is costly. And we also talked uh, AI, artificial intelligence, reduces the coordination cost related to searching for people, negotiating with them, enforcing contract, monitoring their performance, and doing a lot of things. So, what happens next? That is the thing that we are talking about today. Um, so, uh, due to artificial intelligence, firms do not just become more efficient, they also need to reorganize internally. And where exactly the reorganization will be functioning? The first place you see that is in hiring, that is, hiring new employees. So let's consider the bank JP Morgan Chase, which is the largest bank in North America. JP Morgan Chase is not just automating various tasks. The bank is increasing demand for various artificial intelligence related roles, and they include artificial intelligence specialists, data engineers, and artificial intelligence model operators. And at the same time, traditional roles. Traditional roles in banks would be bankers. Bankers are beginning to shrink or they are stagnating. And this is not unique in the firm JP Morgan Chase or in the banking industry. This is a broad trend across every industry. Um, we are seeing that the roles are ramping up for various works. For example, artificial intelligence integration, automation oversight, or which means the governance of the AI system, and data infrastructure, that is, data center related roles. And if you look at the study conducted by McKinsey and Company, the consulting firm, it notes that artificial intelligence related proficiency is starting to define career opportunities inside all firms, firms across all sectors. So, at the same time, other types of roles are gradually declining, or in some cases, they are declining sharply. Consider a software developer. For example, after late 2022, when the OpenAI company's ChatGPT model was launched, if you look at software developer in the age group 22 to 25 year, and their employment reduced by 20 percentage from late 2022 until today. And also other roles, coordination heavy role, like customer service related roles, they are being absorbed by artificial intelligence agents, and also administrative and other types of roles are shrinking rapidly. Consider the customer relationship management consider company Salesforce. Salesforce company actually reduced thousands of support roles because artificial intelligence agents started handling customer interaction in the company. Actually, it cut about 4,000 support roles in that company. And also, if you look at IBM, IBM cut about uh, 200 human resource related jobs after its artificial intelligence solutions Ask HR started performing a lot of tasks that needed human being. Because of all these things, according to Goldman and Sachs, AI is already reducing US employment by thousands of jobs every month. But here is the mistake that people make. Uh, Many people think that AI is replacing jobs, and that is not actually true. What is actually happening is deeper. Artificial intelligence is actually changing internal composition of firms, which means that firms across all industries and all economic sectors are hiring fewer people to execute tasks, and at the same time they are hiring more people to oversee systems like artificial intelligence related systems. Why is that the case? Because artificial intelligence does not just automate tasks anymore. Actually, artificial intelligence automates workflow. Automating workflow means how various tasks and various activities are likely to be performed in what sequence to achieve certain outcome. That is workflow. Workflow is being automated by agentic AI or artificial intelligence agents. So, agentic systems, that is, agentic artificial intelligence, can break a problem into multiple steps and they move across various tools. That means to achieve a goal, they identify what types of tasks and activities need to be performed and which AI tools are most suited to perform those various tasks. And also, they complete multi stage processes. These artificial intelligence agents process those. So, firms don't need as many workers doing the steps, they need fewer people, but with high level skills. And they need people that have better judgment and they have capability to supervise and they are exceptional in handling these workflows with artificial intelligence systems. So this connects directly back to the theory that we talked in episode 2, uh, that episode 2 of the series Future of the Firm. Um, the idea in that episode was that firms exist to manage coordination. So firms' main task is not to manage the production of goods and services because managing coordination is becoming more and more important as works are being more specialized. And artificial intelligence is changing how coordination is happening. And firms must change how labor is being organized inside them. That means different coordination technology need different type of labor structure. So the real shift is this: it is not from humans to machines. The real shift is from execution to supervision. The shift is from tasks to systems. The shift is from workers to operators of AI. So that means uh, companies do not necessarily hire people to do works anymore. They hire people to manage systems which actually work. So that is the real shift that is happening. So that's why the demand is rising for roles like artificial intelligence governance because the artificial intelligence systems need to be overseen and also they need a lot of people with who can handle system orchestration and also the integration of various artificial intelligence systems will be very important. So these types of roles are increasing in various companies, and they need more operators of artificial intelligence in scale. So the question is not which jobs we will AI replace. The real question should be what kinds of workers do firms need in systems that are driven by rapid development in artificial intelligence, especially the emergence of agentic or autonomous artificial intelligence systems. So, all these lead us to the next shift. What happens when AI does not just assist decision making processes, but artificial intelligence systems actually start making them? Thank you very much for listening. This is episode 3 of the series on future of the firm. Um, See you in the next video, episode 4, which will be focusing more on the future of the firm.